Welcome back everybody, and today I have got a chassis, Kriesler 11.7, late 40s, I'm just guessing, yeah. Done these before, but this one doesn't have a dial glass on it, and I've been asked to get it back into working order, and it's all complete. All the valves are there. Don't know if it works. Of course, you know, the power cord's been snipped off, which is okay. Yep, everything seems good. Underneath, let's get it up on its side. And what have we got? That's good. I think it's going to sit there reasonably well. Just as far back as I can go. There it is. So it looks, yeah, all original. Almost. Somebody's, I'll just pull the camera up a little bit more. You can see, I think there, a yellow poly cap's been put in. I'm guessing, yeah. What have we got here? What's flying in the breeze? Cathode bypass, straightforward. Alright, I'll get a, this should be easy, I hope. Don't want to jinx myself, of course, but I'll get some power to it, and let's see if this one either just works, or it gives us some issues to deal with. Okay, oh yeah, I'm sorry, just looking here. I don't know, it looks like some fresh solder there to me, but can never tell. Anyway, I'll get some power to it, and then we'll see what happens with it. Okay, got the power cord into it, so check the transformer voltages, as I always do. It's a 6x5, so the plate on this one, or the plates, are pins 3 and 5, and where's my notch there? So 1, 2, 3, oh god, 3, doesn't want to go in there. And 4, 5 is just in there. Looks it anyway. So let's have a look. Turn some power on, and 200 volts. Cool. And the filaments on that, 6.3 volts, will be, where are they? Pins 2 and 7. On the heater, and I can't see it, pins 2, oh god. Just seeing where else I can go from, that'll be easier. No, I can't see anything in there. Just give us a second for me to get the clips on. Alright, so they're there. Pins 2 and 7. And yeah, cool. Correct voltage. Or what I expect anyway, given my sort of quarter turn on the Variac. And so that's all good. And I have got the speaker, and it's on a separate board. It just plugs into there. So I'll get that, we'll test it out, and hopefully it works. Here's a speaker, and just got a little octal plug on it, and 3 wires, 2 reds and a blue. One of the reds, I noticed, is just right in the earth to the speaker housing, so that's a big thick red, whereas the audio wire is a thin one, so that shouldn't be hard. So where are we? Thin red there, yep. And the blue wire, where is it? Right on the other side. Okay, should be okay for the audio generator. That works. Cool. Alright, I'll change those 2 filter caps as usual, and I'll just tack that in for now. Oh, actually, I can just sit there on the earth. That'll be all right. And then we'll power it up and see if this thing works. So this is our first cap in, and I was going to shrink tube it, but to be honest, I forgot. So yeah, it's on really tight. So anyway, that's not going to be touching anything that it shouldn't. It's nice and solid. So I figured there's the second one up there, and I thought, well, I might as well just show me putting it in. And this is, let's have a look here. Where are we? Well, there's a positive side right there. So I'll just unclip that, and the negative, look at that, just fell off. It goes to earth anyway. So yeah, 16 microfarad. 16 microfarad. And how am I going to do this? Bring it down. Hook it up like that. About there, I reckon. Crimp. Double crimp. And that's not going anywhere. Nice. And again, I just like doing this. Good. Beep. Now that one, haven't got much to play with, and I'm definitely not going to pull out that huge soldering iron so I can get onto the chassis. And what I will do, I'm going to play around and hook it. I'll just bring this chassis around, hook it on that wire there. So I'll play around with that for a second or so. With that, I've managed to crimp it around at the base of the fly lead on that point 1. And a little bit of heat. And that will do it. Try and be a bit tidy. Snip that little bit off. Should have an earth. We do. Nothing on the positive there. And I'm just going to do it to the same on the bottom cap. Just see if there's any short circuit. No. To earth, there isn't, so that's all good. Okay, filter caps are in. Time to run a test. I'll get an antenna hooked up, and we'll power it up slowly and see what we get. And I'll plug the speaker in as well. Okay, we're ready. Antenna's plugged in, speaker's plugged in, and oh yeah, as I always do, let's just monitor the voltage on a filter cap. Take the main one down there. I've just attached the multimeter clips on. DC. Alright. Turn my multimeter on for the variac so I can see my voltages. And right, let's power it up. 70 odd volts. No short circuits. I don't think there's no on-off switch on this one that I'm aware of. Here we go. 130 volts. No smoke, everything's looking good. Rectifier's working. It's 200 volts of mains. So that's normally good enough. Got crackling. Circuit's live, but what are we on? But no signal. It's okay. My tone control does nothing. And band selectors. Yeah, that's not doing anything either. So my 6v6 is working, and I will, where are we? Expected to hear something anyway. Could be just for that. It could be just a valve. Can't think of anything else. Okay, check out the valves. I had a quick look when I turned off the video camera and just checked the valves out, and they all appeared to be glowing, bar this one, 6SK7. So I've pulled a spare out and hope it works. And again, I don't test all my valves. And that's tight. Well, let me just check and make sure that my notch is in the right place. Now you're in. Alright. Right, let's see if that makes any difference at all. Power's on. Turn the lights off a bit. Just have a nose around and nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is interesting. Alright, I'm going to have a think. So, I'll bring the multimeter here. I thought I'd just check some voltages and try and get that glare away. Here we go. So we'll go for the plate. 216 volts. It's okay. What was that? What's going on here? Oh, it's a selector switch. It's just dirty. That should work. Or maybe not. All sorts of things are happening here. Cool. I'm just going through the band. And I get to the lower end of the band, I think. We end up with that. But no stations. interesting. Why? It's full volume. You know, I've got no idea. All right, okay, again, I'll have a think. And, oh, shut up. Turn that down. I'll give the band switch a squirt and a clean, and try and nut this out. I've cleaned up the contacts as much as I can, and I figure, well, we'll run a test again, and I'm going to just measure the other filter cap, make sure that's working. As I recall on a previous radio, where there was some sort of resistor was blocking the current, and the second cap wasn't getting anything. It was getting like 1 volt or something. So we'll do that and just check it out. So 220 volts of power mains will do. Well, that cap's getting plenty of power. Signals coming through. So my cleaning worked. Turn the volume up a bit. Oh, get on there. It works? What?
On ABC Radio Melbourne. It's music to our ears.
Okay,
Surely
all I
we
did
are
was clean
very fond of a roadshow.
the band switch.
In the form of an
And
antique roadshow.
that doesn't explain to me how I got static but no signal and a bit of cleaning,
Doesn't that just
and then the signal comes through.
and thrill all in one go?
That's
This AUKUS
really weird.
More than 60 mid-air safety incidents have been logged by flight crews in US. Many instances where a family has to grapple with in the same sentence as a criminal.
Oh yeah, whatever. Okay, look, that's
and we should always approach these
interesting.
issues with sensitivity and
That is
respect.
really, really interesting.
Isto tako se soglasi po ranešnijo.
I mean, at this point, I can only put it down to the band selector switch, but it still doesn't make sense to me. Any thoughts? Guys, I did nothing. In between it, all I did was spray some alcohol on there and, flick it back and forward about 10-20 times just to clean the contacts up. And that's all I did. So, all right, it's going. It's going. Oh, that was interesting. Excuse me. I'm getting over my cold, by the way, finally. I'm going to swap out these, where are they? You can't see them. As you can see, these 2 electrodes here, and they're both cathode bypass. And I'll swap them out and start changing some paper caps, the old waxies, and it's a goer. It's a goer. And I'm going to also, later on, I'll put back the original 6S K7 valve, and because I reckon that probably still works. Okay, well, here it is, guys, and it is all done, all recapped, and new power cord in as well, and the resistors, those that need to be changed, have been changed, and it's working well.
United States after the Supreme Court scrapped the landmark 1973 Roe versus Wade decision.
I'll turn that right down. And yeah, look, that issue about the static and no stations, I'm not 100% sure, but my gut feeling is it wasn't the selector switch at all. I can't see how a mechanical switch is going to allow static to come through but no stations. So I have to put down some other component in there that wasn't working and then suddenly did. I I don't know, it's a mystery. I have no idea. You got any thoughts on it? I'd appreciate to hear what they are. But anyway, nice radio. It's running again and it'll go back to the owner. He can put it back in the case. And that's it. So I will catch you all again very soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Take care. Goodbye.